Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tatiana. If you are new, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my takedown of this glueless protective quick weave. This is a glueless method because the method is preventing any glue from actually seeping through the cap and onto your hair. That is why we call it a glueless quick weave. Yes, hair glue is always going to be used, but no glue is actually going to get onto your real hair, causing any type of damage. The removal process is actually pretty easy. It's safe. There was no hair on the cap. My scalp wasn't itchy because I wasn't using any products. So my scalp was actually able to breathe a little bit underneath my protective method. I hope you guys enjoy this quick video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family, join the journey. Also, I'm wearing my hair extensions from my line that launches tonight at midnight. I just want to put that out there because I'm so excited. Let's get right into this video. So I went ahead and removed the first two tracks that were around my leave out, and that way I could actually be able to feel where my actual thread is and start to cut. I think it's best that you start anywhere where the cap is lifting at. Right here, as you can tell, I had a nice lift, and what I'm doing is just feeling with my finger the thread, and I'm just literally just going to be popping each thread all the way around my head. Alright ladies, and we are all finished. Here is the takedown of my glueless quick weave. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little mini tutorial on how to actually take the quick weave down if you're deciding to do this at home. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.